Hello, dear students. This is Lohit Ram SK, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Srimati and Shivayar, Government First Grade College, Papada. So, dear students, in the previous sessions, we discussed about the different types of cost and their behavior with certain differences, and as well as with the help of some diagrams and graphs, we come to know how they behave. But in this, from this session, we will come to know that how their cost and their formula used to calculate the cost behavior for different outputs of production. So let's understand. So here the first we have to know the different types of production cost which are used and their formulas. Here the total cost is that aggregate cost of expenditure incurred by the firm. So for total production of goods and services, the cost is going to be incurred. It is called as total cost. So the formula for that TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. Total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So the total fixed cost formula is that TFC is equal to TC minus TVC. So the total fixed cost, which is correspond to the fixed inputs in short run. So that means for a short time period, short term production function. So TFC remain the same to all levels of output in the short run. So whether the outputs changes, but the remains will sorry, the total fixed cost will be remain for the all levels of output changes. Then the total variable cost which is incurred for the variable factors which are used as input for production function. So then the TVC formula is TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. Total variable cost is equal to total cost minus total fixed cost. Then the average fixed cost. So the average fixed cost is the total fixed cost divided by the total units of output. So the AFC formula will be AFC is equal to TFC divided by quantity of output or Q. Then average variable cost AVC, that average variable cost is the total variable cost divided by the total unit of output. So that whatever the variable cost is incurred for the variable inputs, so that this all total will be divided by the quantity of output which is produced, it's going to be produced. So AVC formula is AVC is equal to TVC divided by Q. Then the average cost, so it's a average cost is the average total of cost divided by the total units of output, through which you can come to know that for each unit what will be the average cost incurred. So the formula will be AC is equal to total cost divided by quantity of output. Then the marginal cost. So marginal cost is the cost of producing an extra unit of output. So marginal cost is equal to change in total cost due to change in total output or addition unit. So let us go through the short form of formulas. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. TFC is equal to TC minus TVC. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. AC is equal to TC by Q, or AC can be calculated by using AC is equal to AVC plus AFC. AFC is equal to TFC by Q, or AFC is equal to AC minus AVC. So if we deduct average variable cost in AC, we can get AFC. Then average variable cost can be calculated or find. We can find with using this formula. AVC is equal to average fixed cost divided by quantity of output, or AVC is equal to AC minus AFC. Then MC, the change is equal to marginal cost, changes in total cost divided by changes in total quantity. MC nth is equal to TC nth minus TC nth minus 1. The additional unit will be deducted from the previous total, or the additional total, it's going the whole total will be deducted the previous one. Deduct the previous one, and we'll get what will be the difference between previous one and the additional one. So let's understand this by calculating one problem. So using following data, calculate total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, average cost, and marginal cost. So here they have given output in units: 0 unit, 10 unit, 20 unit, 30 unit, 40 unit, 50 unit, and 60 unit. They have given total cost TC in rupees. For 0 output units, it's 400. For 10 units, it's 480. For 20 units, it's 550. It is for 30, 590. For 40, 620. For 50, 650. And for 60, it is 730. Let's go with the solution. Here they have given TC in the problem itself. So we have to find out the remaining types of costs here. First, we have to calculate the TFC here. See, for producing output 0, the total cost is incurred is 400. So that means whether the production goes on or stopped, the total fixed cost will be same for all levels of output. So for all levels of output, it is same. For 0, it is 400. For 10, it is 400. For 20, it is 400. For 30, it is 400. For 40 is 400. And for 50, it is 400. And for 60, it is 400. So TFC is now available here. Then we can calculate TVC. So TVC can be calculated by using the formula TC minus TFC. So here 400 minus 400 is equal to 0, 480 minus 400 is equal to 80, 550 minus 400 is equal to 150, 590 minus 400, 190, 620 minus 400, 220, 650 minus 400, 250, 730 minus 400, 330. So now we calculated all these three: total cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost. Now it's time to calculate AC, average cost. So here the total AC can be calculated with the help of formula, that is AC is equal to TC by Q. So if 400 divided by 0, it will be 0. Then 480 divided by 10 is equal to 48. Then 550 divided by 20, it is 27.5. Then 590 divided by 30, it is 19.6. Then 620 divided by 40, it is 15.5. Then 650 divided by 50, it is 13.0. Then 730 divided by 60 it is equal to 12.2. So now we have AC also. Now it's time to calculate average fixed cost. So here average fixed cost can be calculated by using one formula. So that is TFC by Q. TFC, total fixed cost, divided by total output. So 400 divided by 0 is 0. Then 480 by 10, it is 400 divided by 0 is 0. 400 divided by 10 is equal to 40. Then 400 divided by 20 is equal to 20. Then 400 divided by 30, that is 13.3. Then 400 divided by 40, that is 10.0. Then 400 divided by 50, so that is 8.0. Then 400 divided by 60, that is 6.7. Now we have to calculate the AVC. So in order to calculate the AVC, we can use the formula AVC is equal to, here we can see AFC by Q, or AVC is equal to AC minus AFC. So here we have AC and AFC. So 48 minus 40 is equal to 8.0. 48.0 minus 40 is equal to 8.0. Then 27.5 minus 20.0 is equal to 7.5. 19.6 minus 13.63 is equal to 6.3. Then 15.5 minus 10.0 is 5.5. Then 13.0 minus 8.0 is equal to 5.0. Then 12.2 minus 6.7 is equal to 5.5. So now it's time to calculate marginal cost. So the marginal cost formula is changes in total cost divided by changes in total output. So here the changes in total cost from 0 output to 10 units is that is 480 minus 400, that is 80, that is 80. Then changes in total cost from 480 to 550, that is 70. So the 70, then then 550 changes in 590 to 550 to 590, it is for 40. Then 590 to 620, it is 30. Then 650 to 730, it is 30. So it is 80. Then 620 to 650, it is 30. 590 to 620, it is 30. Then 650 to 730, it is 80. So with this, I would like to conclude this session. Thank you. So dear students, this MC can be divided by changes in total output also. So from 0 output to the next unit is 10. So that is changes in the output is 10. 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. So then 10 to 20 it is 10. It will become 7. 20 to 30 it is 10 change. That 20 to 30 it become it's become 10 change again. So the 40 by 10 is equal to, it will become 4. So then 30 to 40, only 10 is changed. So 30 by 10, it becomes 3. Then 40 to 50, 10 only change. So the 30 by 10, it becomes 3 only. Then 50 to 60, it's only 10 change. So the 80 by 10, it becomes 8 only. Hello, dear students. This is Lohit MSK, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Srimati Shivaya, Government Corporate College, Pagoda. Dear students, in the previous session, we come to know the different types of cost they are used to calculate with their formula, and we solved one problem also. I am going to continue this problems and solutions with this session also. So that is problems on cost and problems on cost behavior. Let's remind the formulas once again. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. TFC is equal to TC minus TVC. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. AC is equal to TC by Q, or AC is equal to AVC plus AFC. AFC is equal to TFC by Q, or AFC is equal to AC minus AVC. AVC is equal to AFC by Q, or AVC is equal to AC minus AFC. MC is equal to changes in total cost divided by changes in total quantity. Then MC and is equal to TCn minus TCn minus 1. Let's go with the problem. Here, the firm with a daily fixed cost of rupees 360 and marginal cost of successive quantities of output per day as follows. So they have given output from 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they have given marginal cost in rupees. So for 0 output it is 0, for 1 it is 180, for 2 it is 60, for 3 it is 30, for 4 it is 45, then for 5 it is 105. So here we have to calculate TFC, TEVC, AFC, AVC, TC, MC and AC for each level of output. Let us go with the solution. So here the 360 is given as a fixed cost in the problem. So we will consider it as the total fixed cost for each level of output, which will not change for each level of output. It will be remained as same for each level of output. Now we can calculate the remaining cost. The MC is already given in the problem. Here the TVC, so TC minus TFC is the formula, but we don't have TC, but we have to find out the TC. So that in order to find out the TC, we can go through like as a, we can have to work on MC. That means the cumulative values of MC become TC here. So that is for TC, the first zero output it is 360 because it is fixed. It will be 360. Then for the first output, that means after changing from 0 to 1. So here the cumulative fact works 360 plus 180 is equal to 540. 540 plus 60 is equal to 600. 600 plus 30, it is 630. 630 plus 40, 45, it is 675. 675 plus 40, it is 780. That is the cumulative values of MC, because the MC is the additional cost which is incurred for producing additional product. So the cumulative values are taken as TC here. Now we can calculate TVC with the formula TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. So 360 minus 360 is equal to 0. 540 minus 360 it is equal to 180. 600 minus 360 it is 240. 630 minus 360 it is 270. 675 minus 360 is equal to 315. 780 minus 360 it is equal to 420. So TVC is now available here. Now we move to calculate the AFC. So the formula to calculate AFC is here. You can see AFC by Q, or AVC is equal to AC minus AFC, but here we don't have the AC AFC, but we can calculate with the help of TFC by Q. So that is 360 by 1. So 360 by 0 it's 0. Then 360 by 1 it is 360. 360 by 2 it is 180. Then 360 divided by 3 it is 120. Then 360 divided by 4 it is 90. Then 360 divided by 5 it is 72. Then AVC. So AVC also can be calculated. So by having a formula TVC divided by Q. So the first output it is 0. Then for the second output, that is 1. Output is 1. 180 divided by 1 it is 180. 240 divided by 2 it is 120. 270 divided by 3 it is 90. Then 315 divided by 4, it is 78.8. Then 420 divided by 5, it is 84. So now we can calculate AC by adding AFC plus AVC. 360. So for 0 output it is 0. Then 3 for output 1. 360 plus 180 is equal to 540. 180 plus 120 is equal to 300. 120 plus 90, it is 210. Then 90 plus 78.8, 168.5. Then 72.84, 84, it is 156. So the MC is already given in the problem. So the remaining costs are calculated here with the help of formula. Here the work note for calculation purpose, that output 0 of TC is equal to TFC. So output 0 is equal to TFC. So TC is also 360 here. Then calculation of TVC at cumulative of MC. So here while calculating the TC, we cumulated the MC values with the previous costs. Then AFC formula is TFC divided by Q. TFC divided by Q, that is output. Then AVC is equal to TVC by Q. TVC by Q, that is AVC. Then AC is equal to AFC plus AVC. We'll go to the another problem. So that is problem number 2. So with the help of given data below, here we have to calculate the TFC, TVC, TC, AVC, AC and MC, and fixed cost is rupees 30 per unit they have given here. So they have given output from 0 to 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So AVC in rupees. For 0 output it is nil. For 1 it is 10. For 2 it is 9. For 3 it is 8. For 4 it is 8. For 5 it is 10. And for 6 it is 12. Let's go with the solution. So they have given output from 0 to 6. Then they have given a total fixed cost is 30. It will be remain same for all outputs, that is 30 for each output. Then TVC. So here the TVC, the formula is TC minus TFC. But here the TC is not given here in the problem, but its value calculated after that. Then in the problem they have given AVC. Let's go to the work note to find out the TVC. TVC is equal to AVC into output. So in the problem they have given AVC. So AVC into output, 0 into 0, it is 0. Then 10 into 1, it is 10. Then 9 into 2, it is 18. Then 8 into 3, it is 24. Then 8 into 4, it is equal to 32. Then 10 into 5, it is 50. Then 12 into 6, it is equal to 70. So now we can calculate TC. So that is TFC plus TVC is equal to TC. 30 plus 0, it is 30. 30 plus 10, it is 40. 30 plus 18, it is 48. 30 plus 24, it is 54. 30 plus 32, it is 62. 30 plus 50, it is 80. Then 30 plus 72 is equal to 102. Now we can calculate AFC. So AFC can be calculated with the formula. So that is TFC by Q. 30 by 0 it is 0. 30 by 1 it is 30. 30 by 2 it is 15. 30 by 3 it is 10. 30 by 4 it is 7.5. 30 by 5 it is 6. Then 30 by 6 it is 5. Then the AVC is already given in the problem. Then AC can be calculated with the formula, that is AFC plus AVC is equal to AC. 0 plus 0 is 0, 30 plus 10 it is 40, 15 plus 9 it is 24, 10 plus 8 it is 18, 7.5 plus 8 it is 15.5, 6 plus 10 it is 16, 5 plus 12 then is equal to 17. Then formula, sorry, next we have to calculate marginal cost, so that is MC. So the formula for this MC is change in total cost divided by change in total output. So here the change in total cost from 0 output to output 1, it is 10, 10 by 1 it is 10, then 40 to 48 it is 8, 8 by 1, so it is 8 again, because 1 to 2 it is only change is 1, it will be continued up to 6. Then 48 to 54 its change is 6, 6 by 1 is 6, then 54 by 62, sorry, 54 to 62 it is change is 8, 8 by 1 is 8, and 62 to 80 it is change is 18, 18 by 1 it is 18, then 80 to 102 it is 22, 22 divided by 1 is 22. So with this I would like to conclude this session. Thank you. So dear students, in this session also I want to continue the problems on cost behavior. So here if we are going to the problems, we have to know the remind the formulas again. So TC is equal to TFC plus TVC, TFC is equal to TC minus TVC, TVC is equal to TC minus TFC, and AC is equal to TC by Q, or AC is equal to AVC plus AFC, AFC is equal to TFC by Q, or AFC is equal to AC by minus AVC, AVC is equal to AFC by Q, or AVC is equal to AC minus AFC. So MC is equal to changes in total cost divided by changes in total quantity, or MC n is equal to TC n minus 1 minus TC n minus 1. So let's go with the problem. Here the firm has given the total 7 outputs with total variable cost for each output and 200 rupees as a fixed cost. So with the help of this we have to solve this TC, AFC, AVC, ACMC of the firm for each level should be calculated here. So they have given TVC and FC. So we have to get the same as like, then TFC is remains same for all output 200. So TFC plus TVC is equal to TC, 200 plus 300 is equal to 500, 200 plus 560 is equal to 760, 200 plus 750 it is 9 is equal to 950, 200 plus 800 is equal to 1000, 200 plus 1050, 1250, 200 plus 1320 is equal to 1520, 200 plus 1820 is equal to 2020. Then AFC we can calculate with the help of formula. So AFC formula is TFC divided by Q. So 200 by 1 is equal to 200. Then 560 by, sorry, 200 by 2 is equal to 100. Then 200 by 3 is equal to 66.66. Then 200 by 4 is equal to 50, 200 by 5 is equal to 40, 200 by 6 is equal to 33.3, and 200 by 7 is equal to 28.5. Then AVC, so for AVC also there is a formula, so TVC divided by Q, 300 by 1 is equal to 300, so 560 by 2 is equal to 280, 750 by 3, 750 by 3 is equal to 250, 800 divided by 4 is equal to 200, 1050 divided by 5 is equal to 210. Then 1320 divided by 6, it's equal to 220. Then 1820 divided by 7, it is equal to 260. So we calculated both AFC and AVC. Now we can calculate AC. So the formula for AC is AFC plus AVC. 200 plus 300 is equal to 500. 100 plus 280 is equal to 380. 100 plus 280 is equal to 380. Then 66.6 plus 250, it is 316.6. Then 50 plus 200 is equal to 250. Then 40 plus 210 is equal to 250. Then 33.3 plus 220 is equal to 250.5. Then 28.5 plus 260 is equal to 288.6. Then we have to calculate marginal cost. So in marginal cost, there is no previous changed cost available. So first output, it is 0 or nil. So for second output, from 300 to 560, it's a change is 260. So then output level is 1 to 2 is 1, 260 by 1 is 260. Then 760 to 950, the change is 950, sorry, 190. Then 950 to 1000, its change is 50 changed. Then 1000 to 1250, it is 250 change in total cost. Then 1250 to 1520, the change is 270. And the 5520 to 2020 change is 500. So each all of this change divided by 1 only, because from one level of output to another level of output change is only 1. So let's go with another problem. So here the total output in units they have given from 0 to 6. So they have given TVC for each level of output. Let's go with the solution. So we have to write the same as whatever given in the problem. Like output they have given 0 to 6. They have given TVC 300 for 0, 350 for 1, 190 for 2, 180 for 3, 180 for 4, 180 for 5, then 200 for 6. Now the TFC is 300 we are considering here. Why? Because so they have given 300 as TVC. So for 0 output also, so the TFC will be the same 300 and it will remain same for all level of outputs. Now we can calculate TC. So TFC plus TVC, 300 plus 300 is equal to 600, 300 plus 350 is equal to 650, 300 plus 190 is equal to 490, 300 plus 180 is equal to 480. 300 plus 180 plus again 480, 300 plus 190 is equal to 490, and 300 plus 200 is equal to 500. So now we can calculate AFC. So AFC calculated with the formula, so that TFC by cube 300 by 0, it's not possible, so it will be the same 300 AFC. Then 300 by 1 is equal to 300, and 300 by 2 is equal to 150, 300 by 3 is equal to 100, 300 by 4 is equal to 75, 300 by 5 is equal to 60, and 300 by 6 is equal to 50. Then we can calculate AVC with the formula like TVC by Q, 300 by 0, it's not possible, so it will be same 300, then 350. So why? Because here the problem itself they have given TVC 300 for even for variable cost, so AVC also 300. So then 350 by 1 divided by 1 is equal to 350. Then 190 divided by 2 is equal to 95. 100 divided by 3 is equal to, sorry, 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60. Then 180 divided by 4 is equal to 45. Then 190 divided by 5 is equal to 38. Then 200 divided by 6 is equal to 33.33. So we divided total variable cost by output. So we get ABC. Now we can calculate AC with the formula AFC plus AVC is equal to AC. So 300 plus 300 is equal to 600. 300 plus 350 is equal to 650. 150 plus 95 is equal to 245. 100 plus 60 is equal to 160. 75 plus 45 is equal to 120. Then 60 plus 38 is equal to 98. Then 50 plus 33.33, it is equal to 83.33. Then in MC, for first output, MC is 0 because we don't know the previous output. So here the MC formula is changes in total quantity of cost. So total cost and changes in total quantity of output. So some from 0 output to 1 output, the changes in total cost is 50. 600 to 650 is 50. Then output level change is 1. So 50 divided by 1 is equal to 50. Then 650 to 490, it is 160 change. So only one output is increase. So 160 by 1 is equal to 160. Then 490 to 480, it is only 10 change. So 10 by 1 is equal to 10. Then again 480 to 480, no changes. So it will be 0. Then again 480 to 490, the change is 10. 10 by 1 is equal to 10. Then 490 divided 490 to 500, the change is 10. So again 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10 because 5 output to 6 output is only one change. So is equal to 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. So with this, I would like to conclude this session.